Hello guys and all welcome to my channel Goan Girl. I hope you guys are doing fine. So today's video is going to be about a DIY, basically a DIY for skincare and the hero of this DIY is going to be green tea powder. So from my previous haul that was from Purple, I ordered this green tea powder and I use this powder for my skincare. So today I'm going to share with you how I use the powder and how I do my skincare at home with this powder. So as we all know, green tea has its own benefits for skin. So green tea has really amazing properties. As we all know, green tea has anti-aging and antioxidant benefits. Green tea reduces acne and pimple problems. Green tea improves skin complexion. Green tea also reduces eye puffiness and dark circles. You can also use green tea as a natural toner. So today, as I was telling you, green tea, this is Elf's Goodness green tea powder. Here it is given as Health Deep Cleanse Clogged Pores. This is 100% natural and pure, chemical free, pesticide free, preservative free and no animal testing, and it is created for all skin types. As I've already told you, this Elf's Goodness green tea powder can be also used for skin as well as for your hair. Okay, so today I'm going to use this for my skin and I will show you the 5 steps how I prepare this 5-step facial at home for my skin. And yes, you will definitely see a lot of difference on your skin after using this. Okay guys, so without wasting any more time, let's start with the video. So the first step is cleansing of the face. So we start by preparing a cleanser. To make this cleanser, I am using all natural ingredients. So let's start. 1 teaspoon green tea powder, 1 teaspoon honey. You can use any company's honey. Half teaspoon besan, 2 teaspoon milk. If you have oily skin, you can skip milk and instead of milk, use rose water or water. Mix all the ingredients well. Once you get a consistency like this, apply it on the face. So before we start, make sure you wash your face with any of your favorite face wash. Make sure that you cover your hair properly so that they don't disturb you. Here I am going to use my headband. The hair doesn't disturb me. Apply this on your face and massage it for 2 to 3 minutes. So talking about the benefits of green tea has amazing anti-aging benefits. It helps to maintain natural elasticity of the skin, helps fight acne and pimples, and also improves skin complexion. Honey contains several vitamins, minerals like zinc and selenium. These nutrients help to add nourishment to the skin cells. Besan helps in tan removal. It reduces oiliness, helps in tightens the skin. Also, besan helps in removal of facial hair. Milk is an amazing moisturizer. It is often used to cleanse and rejuvenate the skin. It helps to heal dry skin. It also helps to improve collagen production and keeps the skin smooth. Just massage this on your face for at least 2 to 3 minutes and then wash it off with water. Second step is scrubbing or exfoliating the skin. To prepare the scrub, I am using half teaspoon green tea powder, 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel. You can use aloe vera gel of any company. Here I am using the aloe vera gel of Good Vibes. 1 teaspoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder, and mix them well. And the scrub is ready to be used. Aloe vera gel provides soothing, and cooling sensation to the skin. Also helps to keep skin acne free, maintains skin elasticity and keeps aging signs at bay. Sugar helps the skin retain moisture. Sugar contains glycolic acid, which helps in encouraging cell turnover and provides fresh looking skin. Cinnamon powder have natural antibacterial properties which helps to destroy the acne causing bacteria. It also helps in shrinking large pores as well as drawing out the impurities stuck in the pores. Scrub your face with it, going in circular upward motions. Make sure you get your chin, the mouth area and the sides of your nose, as these areas tend to have a lot of dead skin. The idea is to be gentle and do it for not more than 10 minutes. Be gentle and do not apply much pressure. Once you have scrubbed your face properly, wash it off with water. So the next step is steaming. Since I don't take the harsh steam, I use this tall steaming method. To start with, I am using hot water. Pour the water in any vessel and add 1 green tea bag. Here I am using Lipton's green tea. You can use any of your choice green tea bag. Open the green tea bag and put the leaves into the boiling water. Give it a mix and then put the towel into the water. And use the towel to steam the face. Steaming promotes blood circulation. It releases acne-causing bacteria and cells. It also releases trapped sebum and promotes collagen and elastin, leaving your skin hydrated. Steam your face for not more than 5 minutes. Once you are done steaming, wipe off your face with a clean towel. After towel steaming, the fourth step is preparing a face mask. So to prepare the face mask, we need 1 teaspoon green tea powder, 1 teaspoon rice flour. If you want to add besan, you can also add besan instead of rice flour. Since I have used besan for cleanser, here I am using rice flour. 1.5 teaspoon milk or rose water. I am using 2 to 3 vitamin E capsules. You can take of any company you prefer. Take out the oil from the capsules. You can use a clean needle. And give it a good mix. So once you get the perfect consistency, the mask is ready to be applied. So talking about the benefits of rice flour. Rice flour is another excellent anti-aging ingredient. Vitamin B helps in boosting new cell production and slows down aging process. Rice flour is known to treat sun-damaged skin. It works as a natural sunscreen. It also removes dead skin cells and prevents wrinkle lines and signs of aging. Vitamin E treats dull and damaged skin. It neutralizes the free radicals and prevents skin damage. It also treats skin hyperpigmentation. It helps in treating acne as well as other skin problems. Let the mask dry. Wait till 20 minutes. Once the mask is dried properly, you can wash it off with water. After washing your face, dry the face properly. The last step is the toner. So here I am using Elf's Goodness green tea toner. If you don't have this, you can also make use of green tea. Store the green tea into a spray bottle and you can keep it in the refrigerator and apply it on the skin as toner. Gently tap on your skin so that the toner absorbs your skin properly. So guys, this is how my skin looks. You can totally see how my skin is glowing. So I hope you guys like this skincare. This is 5-step skincare that I follow at home using Elf's Goodness green tea powder. So I hope you guys like today's DIY video based on green tea. These are very simple steps that you can follow, but no time for this long procedures. You can also go on with the only one step, that is face pack. You can directly use it on your face. Just have to add a little bit of rose water and little bit of powder, green tea powder, and you can use it on your skin or your face, and you will definitely find a lot of difference on your skin after one use. And if you want to check out on this green tea powder or any of the product that I'm going to use, I will put the product link in my description box. You can check it out. So yes guys, this was all about this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please do like my video, share with your friends, and don't forget to comment. And yes, do subscribe to my channel and please press the bell icon so that you may get notified every time I post a new video. So take care all of you, and see you next time with another video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.